Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about another ad format, which is going to be carousel image ads. So carousel image ads are going to be sponsored content ads where we can upload multiple images and they will work like a carousel. So users can scroll through it as well and get to see different aspects of your business, your product and services. These are going to appear in their LinkedIn feeds, and it is going to generate more traction because once in a carousel image ad you can upload multiple images and you can give options, you can give different messaging options to your users, and which can trigger better with them, and there are higher chances of engagement through these kind of ad formats. They allow you to get better traffic, and more qualified leads can be generated through carousel image ads. So these are going to be created in the same format like the way we saw the previous one, and you can run it on different types of campaigns, which we can build on the LinkedIn ads platform. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand carousel image ads, how they are going to be. They're going to be a collection of image ads put together like a carousel, and it gives an option to the users to slide through it and then read different content, look at the different images, and then make a decision to click on it and come to your website. So thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next week.